We have already talked about the CSS box model, and inside that video we have discussed about the box sizing property. But in this video I'm going to show you the detail about the box sizing property in CSS. At first, let's create the new file here. I want to create the new file and I want to give the name as CSS box and the sizing.html. And inside this file I'm going to use the boilerplates here. I want to change this document into the CSS box and the sizing. And also I want to create here one new div, not new HTML element, that is style HTML element. And inside this body section, I want to create the two div here with the ID 1. And also I want to create another div, that is div ID 2. And if I want, and then I want to style this ID 1 and ID 2. At first, I want to style the ID 1. And I want to give the height as 200 pixel and width as width as width as 500. Okay, first of all I have to give here semicolon. Width as 550 pixel, and then also I want to give the background color aqua or whatever I want here. I want to give the I want to give here the aqua SCQUA, and then at first I want to run this code by pressing on the go live options from here. I'm clicking on the go live options here, and you can see here now I got the one div here, and after that I want to create the another div with the different background color. I want to copy this code again here and I want to paste it down, and also I want to change here the ID 1 into the ID 2 and background color as blue violet. Okay, and if I go to the browser again, I got two divs here. I want to separate this div using the HTML element. I want here one horizontal line, and now you can see here clearly first div and second div has the same size with the 200 pixels height and 550 pixels width. So if I want to give the padding property in the ID2, it means div 2. If I give the padding property here, padding as 10 pixels, and if I go to the browser here, now the size of this div is increased here. And if I give here the border property also 1 pixel, or if I provide the 5 pixel solid red, and if I go to browser again, I got the border with the red color, and also the size of the div is increased here. So why this happen is here. We have already discussed about the CSS box sizing property. If I provide the I want to give here the another things also. I want to give here another things, that is margin also, MIRGN margin also. If I provide the margin as 4 pixel or whatever I want, if I provide the margin, then also the size of div is also increased here. Little bit it increased the size of this div. So why this happen? This is happening here. It means that first of all I want to make here one comment, and if I provide the width has 550 pixel, it means it is not only the 550 pixel. If I provide the border or padding or margin, I have the border as 10 pixel, and it will take the left padding and the right padding. It means I have provided here the 10 pixels for the all the directions. So left padding and right padding, that is 10 pixel plus 10 pixel, that is 20 pixel, and the border, left border plus right border, that is 5 pixel plus 5 pixel, that is 10 pixel, and also the margin, that is also the all direction 4 pixel. It means left direction has 4 pixels and right direction has 4 pixels. It means 8 pixel, and if I add this all pixels value here, it means 578. Okay, 578 pixel. So I'm providing here the width property as 550 pixel, but actually it takes the 578 pixels. So the size of div is increased here. Likewise, if you see in the height part, I'm providing the height of the div is 200 pixel, but it takes actually 200 pixel plus top padding. Top padding means 10 pixels and bottom padding means 10 pixel. It means total pixel as 20 pixel plus, and then the border, top border plus bottom border. Top border has 5 pixels and bottom border is also 5 pixel. It means 10 pixel, and the top margin is 4 pixel and bottom margin is 4 pixel. It means it takes the total 8 pixel, and if I add this all value, 238 pixel. So actually we got the 578 pixel width and 238 pixel height in our div. So to control the such div and height in our div element, then we can use here the box sizing property, box sizing property. And if it takes the default as content box, and if I go to the browser, it doesn't show any differences here because it contains the remaining value, it is default value. And if I change this content box into the border box, and if I go to the browser, now size of this div has the equal size. The size of this two div has the equal size. It means if I remove this border from here, border and margin from here, border and margin from here, and if I go to here, now I got this same size. But also if I provide the border, then also I got the same size. But I just want to remove that path from here to make the position in the same position. And if I again use the content box from here, now you can see the size of second days has increased here. But if I remove this content box into the border box, then the size of two div has equal size. It means that in this way we can control the box sizing property in CSS. And if we want to know what really how really it works and in box sizing property, then you can do it by yourself by changing the padding value, width value, and then the margin value and the border value. If you get any confusion regarding this video, you can ask me in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you.